Our next problem is another compound interest problem. This is example 5 on page 402. And it says, upon the birth of a child, a parent wants to make a deposit into a tax-free account to use later for the child's college education. Assume that the account has an annual interest rate of 4.8%. Giving us a 0.048 as a decimal. And that the compounding is done quarterly. Since we're compounding quarterly, that means our interest is compounded 4 times per year. How much must the parent deposit now? How much we deposit now is called P, and we don't know that amount, so that the child will have $60,000 at age 18. $60,000 is the amount that we want to have accumulated later, and the amount of time it takes is 18 years. So we're going to use our compound interest formula to set this up and then try to make a plan from there. Amount accumulated equals P1 plus R divided by N raised to the N times T. So it looks like we want to get P by itself. In order to do that, I'd like to have 60,000 on one side, P times just a single number on the other side. So we're going to have to do our order of operations and work this out one step at a time. So 60,000 is equal to P times, in the parentheses we have 1 plus 0.048 divided by 4. So in the parentheses I have 1.012. We are raising that to the 4 times 18 power, or the 72 power. Said a different way, we have interest being added into our account 72 times over that 18 years. So we're going to take 1.012 raised to the 72 power. And on your calculator, it should look like 1.012 raised to the 72. This gives me 2.36046 and some more decimal places. But again, I'm going to leave these numbers in my calculator so that I don't have to type them again. Now, in order to get P by itself, and because P and this 2.36 number are combined by multiplication, I'm going to have to divide both sides by 2.36046 and so on. So 60,000 divided by that number gives us $25,418.759 and so on cents. Since we want to round it to the nearest penny, this is the pennies place, we look to the next place. Since that is between 5 and 9, I'm going to round that up to 25,418.76. And that's how much money you need to save right now so that in 18 years you have 60,000 for college.